This video walks you through how to view Stripe event logs. Begin by signing in to your Stripe dashboard. Use your account credentials and wait for the dashboard to load fully so you can see the main navigation and account view. If you work in more than one Stripe environment, take a moment to confirm you are in the right place before moving on. If the events you want to inspect came from testing, switch to sandbox or test mode before you open the event log. This part matters because Stripe separates live activity from test activity, and the event list will only show the events for the mode you are currently viewing. If you stay in live mode while looking for a test event, the list will not match the action you performed. Once you are in the correct mode, look to the left-hand menu and click Developers. This section contains the tools and records related to requests, webhooks, and event activity. After the Developers area opens, select Events. That takes you to the event log, where Stripe records actions that trigger event notifications across your account. On the Events page, start by browsing the list on screen. You may see a sequence of recent events with labels that identify the event type and when each one happened. If you already know what you are looking for, use the search field or the available filters to narrow the list. This helps when the log contains many entries or when you need to focus on one type of activity. Search and filters are especially useful if you are checking for a specific payment, customer update, subscription action, or another event tied to a recent test. When you find the event you want, click it to open the detail view. Stripe will show a fuller record for that individual event. In this view, review the event type first so you can confirm what kind of action was recorded. Then check the timestamp to see exactly when Stripe logged it. This helps you line it up with the action you performed in your app, checkout flow, or dashboard. Next, look at the request information and the payload. The request details can help you understand where the event came from and what triggered it. The payload shows the event data Stripe sent, including the object involved and the values captured at the time the event was created. Reading through these details gives you the full context of that entry without leaving the event page. Finally, verify that the event matches the action you performed. Compare the event type, timing, and payload with the action you expected Stripe to record. If those details line up, you have confirmed that the event was created and logged as expected. Your Stripe event log is now open, and the event details have been reviewed and verified.